We're on. We're finally on after how long? Oh shit. Literally there was a bus up that I saw. Anyway, we've got one on. Morena whānau, welcome to another video. Going on another fishing adventure. Today we're heading down to the same place as usual. If you are new, which I don't think most of you aren't because you're either my friends or family, but if you are, my name is Logan and I enjoy lure fishing. Come along with the journey and I'll see you down there. Good morning, we are back at the spot again. I think I just love the spot too much. I'll probably on Sunday better go explore somewhere else, but the spot always produces, I always catch a fish at least. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get set up. I'm going to get everything all sorted, get out of the car, and then set up at the spot that I want to go to, and then hopefully catch some fish. But yeah, I'm going to set up, get everything all sorted, and I'll see you shortly. I would do karate in my bed. No head noise I'm ignoring, I had to break that trend. Who you really trying to impress? Who do you really think's bothered or cares? Why you being so damn hard on yourself? Ain't no use in that. We're off to the spot this morning. It's nice this morning. The tide is low, so low tide. I think the tide's starting to come in now, which is awesome. So there should be some really good current on the top of that point on the ledge. So there should be some really good fish around, but it is nice. I think every single time I come down here, it's pretty good anyway. Usual, got 3 setups. I'll walk through those every single time I change over, but probably start off with the Rogue. The Molossi Rogue, probably throw that on first. I'm thinking stick bait because it's been doing me very, very well. And then if there's a bust up or anything like that, we'll throw a mineral out there. But yeah, I'm going to walk to the spot where I normally go through as well, and I'll see when I get down there. I used to have the negative voices. I used to be a goddamn mess. Who you really trying to impress? Who do you really think's bothered or cares? Why you being so damn hard on yourself? Ain't no use feeling so down when everything's cool. Hell, there ain't no use putting it all on your shoulders. Alright, here at the spot, I'm still putting my stuff down. I'm going to work with this today, right on that ledge. Same place. The tide's coming in, so the currents will change up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get set up, put the lures on, and pretty much just kind of scope out this kind of area here. So last time, but through these rocks through here. But yeah, not to really want to go. Alrighty, we're all set up this morning. What we're going to use is the 85mm Molossi Rogue in the Wookie colour. I'm going to throw it out there straight away. Now the tide is low, so what we're going to do is work this little edge, see what's out there. There's a massive wave too. Holy! Doesn't look massive, but I'm telling you, it's huge. See, like that. Oh, that one's even bigger. That one's even bigger. I'm moving.
I'm gonna sit right at this tip through here. I'm gonna cast out pretty much. All right, let's go. First cast in. Check my drag quickly. I'm dead. I'm stepping way back. See, lucky I did. There's another one. Hey. We're finally on after how long? Oh shit. Literally there was a bus up that I saw. Anyway, we've got one on. I'm even out of the car. Probably a decent one actually. See, oh he wrapped around right over there. Now I want to play rock hop. Fun. I need to run. Why do these fish come this way? Oh, a trevally. Oh, wow. Here we go. Lovely fish. He literally spun me like all the way around. Oh, did he just pop me off? Oh my god. Alrighty, so that was rough. There actually wasn't that much activity. I got that one, but even I dropped that, and that was the only hookup I got for this morning. Like, it was really quiet. There was a couple of busters, but they weren't on, which is very odd. However, we're now going to move spots. I'm going to move to a place called Dolphin Point. It's about half an hour from here. It's a new spot I haven't been to, so we're going to head out there, and hopefully we see how we go. I've got to retie. Like, I lost a couple of lures as well, so I've got to retie a couple of things, get all set up, but I'll probably head out that way and then see what it's like. Go for a bit of a flick and see if it's a potential new zone. But yeah, we'll see you down there. Alright, we went to the new spot. It's Seal Dolphin
seal dolphin, lookout or something like that. So I'm gonna go for a light lure along this estuary. There's some rocks at the end, so I'm gonna go out there. But I'm gonna get all the gear out and get ready. So we made it down to the spot. It's pretty nice. There's like an estuary. I had a little flick as you would have seen, but I might head down to there's a rock area there. We get to the rocks. It's pretty nice. There's some good current in here, but I'm assuming it's actually really hard to not throw a line. Actually I might just throw one just here. But there's some rock areas just on the edge. Right here guys, I don't know if you saw that, I think I turned the camera on, but we're at the spot and there are some mad seals. Like, there's a couple of seals just through here, but this zone was like madness. I'll sit on that rock but it didn't splash too much. But there's kahawai, or the salmon, whatever you want to call them, out here. I'm going to put a metal back on because I literally got like absolutely slammed. So I'm going to put a metal back on and then we'll get back into it. Alright, I'm heading down to the zone now. I've just got to be careful, that's all. There's some big waves, but there's some mad kahawai up here, and there's a couple of seals next to me as well. So look, there guy. These are sitting there. There's 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna try and catch my fish and feed them. What we got? Mad weed fish, check that out. Wait, hang on, gotta dehook it. Mad weed fish. Alright, let's get a quick release, quick release. Oh, you show them off beautifully. That's the best fish of the day, boys. What are we arguing about? And we're on. Holy. Probably a kahawai. Oh, it's got some mad sting. I might land it is another story. Ooh, there's my big one. This, I don't know what it is. This is gonna be massive. Let's go. Better take the risk a little. I gotta do it fast.
He's absolutely smoked that on the single hook. Nice view. All we'll do is de-hook him, but one of these big dogs might want him. But a nice salmon. Holy. Let's see if we de-hook him, get it back out there. But see how the single hook there? But nice, he's probably about a 85, got some gloves as well. Way easier to handle. As he starts kicking, then I'm in trouble. I can feel him kind of kicking. I'm keen to feed it to the seal. Look at that. But I want to feed him to the seal. There's a seal there. Three, two, one, see if you see. He's off. Look at that. So much, like the current's massive. Like if you look out, like through there, big waves, like washed everywhere. I can't see shit at the bottom. I might die here. Probably need to get a life jacket, to be honest. Like one of those, maybe a rope, so I don't get washed away. No. Oh, we're on. Probably another Hawaii. Oh, yep. Popped out. Maybe that drag might have been, but my drag might have been a little bit too tight. It's alright, we'll go again. On. Oh, good jumps too. Kahawai. Another one. It's kind of hard to work anything else, so I don't want to lose. He's going to probably jump again. Really watch. I was literally just tied on because I don't have much battery in there. Oh, that was mad. Waiting for this wave though. They run out a little bit. I've got to work these waves. No, it's happening. Literally had to retime, but another nice little Aussie salmon or Australian kahawai as they call it. He's going to go crazy. I can feel him kicking. Nice and easy. Here's a little one. What I'll do is I'll de-hook him quickly and we'll get him on his way. Nice. So I need the plight. Little kahawai. Very value too. Decent. Big boy. Alright. What we'll do is we'll throw him back. Probably in this wash through here, cast out again. I'm tired now. Literally on this. I had to retie, but I don't think the single hook's gonna be good. But I had to retie it. But we'll throw it back out there, pretty much a silver one, second cast in, and it hooked up straight away. On again. Oh, there must be a whole school of them. I just literally just cast it out. Literally got on again. Oh, that's sick as. That's so cool. Gotta wait for the big waves now. They come in threes. So he's still on. I'm just waiting for the other wave to come through. Now I can go. Oh, last minute pop off too, yeah. Radio, back out there. Just popped off. But there must be a school out there. There's a lot to cast, yeah. And then pump them. Whew, he's up and going. Me at the last minute. That's me. Well, there you go, so it's a wrap. It's currently 3:30. The fish were on. We lost a few fish, like we lost heaps of fish around this area, which is Narooma. It's called Dolphin Point, so it looks like it's going to put that on the map as well. So we lost a few fish. So, but it was fun anyway to be out here, explore the new zone. This is like the danger zone though. Like there, yeah, I can't sit there. There's like nowhere to sit. I actually looked when I came to see where to go. But like awesome view as well. We got these seals. And now they've been chilling like the entire time. This one here, I try to feed because I wanted to give him my fish, but it wasn't up, so I had to throw it back in the water. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back to the car, pack it up. I'm starving. I need to eat. I haven't eaten since 8 o'clock, but it's just been like really sick to be out there. I think I'm about to try bigger or a little bit up. The Narooma's a little bit far, it's about a 2.5 hour drive, but it was worth it. I had a lot of fun. I'll pack everything up and then head on over home, and that'll be pretty much a wrap. And then, yeah, that's it, yeah. All done, all packed up in the car, ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, mad. I'll probably make one like every week. Head out as much as I can. But yeah, pretty much like around Wednesday or something like that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it.